Oh, hello, everybody. Mila, say hello. Hi.
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 What?
So, Mila, look, we have this special toy for you today. It's Chuggington Wilson. It's from the cartoons which you can watch online, and this is a remote control Wilson. We have a red Wilson. It's not working yet because we have to install batteries. We have to put this. Yes. Batteries. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Here you go, remote control. And remote control, yeah? Yeah, you can. Antenna. No, antenna has to stay there. Yes. Yes. Don't break it, because we have to play with the train, and then. And okay, I'm opening, getting our Chuggington. Wow. Mila, look, soon I'm gonna get our little train from the box. Now, how do we get it from the box? Okay, now I got it. So it has this plastic things that hold it. Ta-da-da! Yes, yeah, what? Like, looks like a face. A smiley. Look. Mila saw it. And she told us. Now, let's get batteries power inside. Nuclear power, nuclear battery. Now, we need 3 AA batteries. Now, the remote control is ready. And there we go. Finish it. And now we install batteries into Wilson himself. Wow, Mila! I can't believe you did it. Just make it a little bit tighter. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may we present to you Wilson, a red train. We turned him on. And now, here is it on. Okay, let's see again what we did wrong. Again. Now push the button. Wow! Wow! Crazy twirls. Wow! Spinning, crazy spinning. Bye bye. Wow. Look at the remote control. Here is your remote control. Aim.
Mama!
Again.
Kofka. No.
Poor Chuggington. Poor Wilson. Poor Wilson. Get Wilson from the floor. Again.
Mom, what's going on?
Let's play.
Down.
Again. Wow. Oh. It's so fast. Uh-oh. It stopped. Look, amazing. Amazing train. Wow.
Bye-bye.
Push harder.
Wait.
Because it was falling from the table too many times. That's why it broke. It's broken. You just broke another toy. Let's fix him. Come on. Something is wrong. We have to. Okay, check underneath. Yeah, now it's working again. It's fixed, Mila. A little. Wow. Amazing train. Mila, it was an accident, derailing of a train. Poor Wilson fell off a cliff and he was destroyed by a volcano. Look, Wilson. Mila, he needs some fixing. Okay, let's see. This is that's a sign. That means, that's a sign, yellow sign. So, this is Chuggington Wilson, remote controlled Wilson. You can watch this cartoon online and you can get another trains of this series. Another, they have a few more. A few more. Bye bye.